St. Charles County, southwestern St. Louis County, Warren County, until 11 a.m. At 10:13 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Jonesburg to Owensville and moving east at 55 miles per hour.
When you relate such a light eye to a user,
New Haven, Wright City, Washington, Wentzville, Union, Lake St. Louis.
It's on its way, motherfucker.
Prairie, Village, O'Fallon, Gray Summit, Cottleville, Weldon Spring, St. Peters, Pacific, Wildwood, St. Charles and Chesterfield. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Gasconade, Jefferson, Lincoln, Montgomery, St. Charles, St. Louis and Warren, and Calhoun County, Illinois. The following